Hello billionaires in the making, I'm Martins and welcome to the Billionaire Financial Lifestyle Academy. Today, I'm excited to share a video that's a little off the beaten path, a guide to 15 simple yet overlooked ways to get rich. People ignore these. These methods might sound unusual, but each one is grounded in real opportunities that you can tap into right now. Just give me some minutes and I will break down each strategy in detail, sharing the sites, apps, and methods you need to get started. Let's dive right in. Don't miss method number 15 because it is perhaps the most insane and easiest of all. 1. Sell your breast milk. Yes, you heard that right. Selling breast milk is a niche but real way to earn money online. There's a high demand for breast milk among mothers who are unable to produce enough for their babies, and platforms like Only the Breast provide a marketplace for this unique commodity. Now let me tell you how it works. First, sign up and verification. Create an account on a dedicated site like Only the Breast, where you'll likely need to go through a verification process to ensure the quality and safety of your milk. Next is pricing and quantity. Prices vary based on quality, demand, and quantity. Some sellers report earning competitive rates, especially if they maintain high nutritional standards. An important aspect of this business is the safety and regulations. Always follow proper storage, handling, and shipping guidelines. Consult local regulations since laws can vary by region. This method isn't for everyone, but if you're a nursing mom and are comfortable with it, it's a creative way to generate income while helping other mothers. Share this video and help your friends make money online. Be a virtual babysitter. Imagine entertaining children from the comfort of your home. This is how it works. Websites like care.com and niche babysitting platforms are starting to offer virtual sessions. Your duty there is not much. You can entertain kids via video calls with storytelling, trivia games, puppetry, or even interactive craft sessions. I know you will want to hear how much your earnings are. Rates typically start at around $15 per hour, and if you bring in special skills like teaching or performing arts, you could charge even more. It's a win-win. Parents get a trusted entertainer, and you earn money by leveraging your creativity and interpersonal skills. Smash the like button if you are getting value. Create ASMR videos. ASMR, or Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response, has exploded in popularity on YouTube. This phenomenon has captivated millions of viewers, providing them with unique auditory experiences that can induce relaxation and tingling sensations. What you simply need are equipment. Invest in a good quality microphone like the Blue Yeti and a decent camera. Content ideas. Focus on triggers like whispering, tapping, crinkling, or gentle role plays. Once you build an audience, you can earn through ad revenue, sponsorships, and even merchandise. Check out YouTube tutorials on ASMR techniques and editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. ASMR isn't just about making money, it's about creating a calming space for your viewers while building a loyal following. If you have not subscribed yet, do it now so as not to miss out when I drop the next video. Sell feet pics. It might sound quirky, but selling feet pictures has become a surprisingly lucrative niche in the online market, especially in modeling and beauty industries. You can get started by doing the following 4 things. Choose a platform. Use sites like FeetPics or specialized social media groups that facilitate this type of commerce safely. Next is the issue of privacy. You need to maintain your anonymity by not revealing personal details and using watermarking techniques on your photos. Another interesting part is the earnings. Prices of pictures sold can vary widely depending on the buyer's needs and the quality of the images. Here are the success tips. Consider investing in a good camera and learning basic photo editing to enhance your images. This method is all about leveraging an unconventional asset while ensuring your personal privacy and safety. Please share this video and I will be grateful to you for doing that. Rent out your backyard. If you have a backyard with a unique charm, maybe a scenic view or a spacious layout, you can rent it out for camping, small events, or even pop-up gatherings. Let me give you one of the platforms you can list your space on. It is HipCamp, a website dedicated to renting outdoor spaces for camping and events. To set up and start getting clients, create a detailed listing with high-quality photos and a description of unique features, such as a fire pit garden or a quiet ambiance. This method will help you generate a passive income source. It offers a relatively hands-off way to earn extra money, especially if you're not using your space regularly. Please note this. To avoid legal issues, read up on local zoning laws and insurance requirements to ensure you're covered legally and safely. Renting out your backyard is a creative way to transform unused space into a steady revenue stream. If you are learning something new from this video, let us know what you like about the video. Review music. For those who have an ear for music, reviewing new tunes can be both fun and profitable. How to begin? The first thing you need to do is to sign up, create an account on Slice the Pie, and complete the initial review test to qualify. Once qualified, you will then listen to tracks, provide honest feedback, and rate them based on creativity, production quality, and appeal. While the pay per review might start small, around 20 cents per review, it can add up if you review regularly and build a reputation. So expand your horizons. Use this as an opportunity to discover emerging artists and even network with musicians. This method is ideal if you're passionate about music and want to get paid for sharing your opinions. Trade domain names. Domain flipping is like digital real estate. The following are the steps you should follow to succeed. Use research tools. Use platforms like GoDaddy Auctions, Cedo, or Namecheap to find valuable domains. Next, identify trends. Look for trending keywords, industry terms, or future business ideas that could drive demand for specific domains. When you see a domain with such trending words, consider buying them. This business is about buying and selling of domains. It's about purchasing domains at a low cost and listing them for resale once you've identified potential buyers. You need some learning resources too. Check out blogs and courses on domain trading strategies to stay ahead of the market. Then, you will be able to make good profits. Domain flipping requires some upfront research, but with a keen eye for trends, it can be a highly profitable side hustle. Sell low-content books. If you have a creative side and a knack for design, consider creating low-content books like journals, planners, or sketchbooks. Getting started. One of the platforms you can list your books is Amazon KDP, which stands for Kindle Direct Publishing. You can use software and sites like Canva or Adobe as designing tools to create your professional-looking interiors and covers of your books. However, you have to develop your marketing strategy. Once published, promote your books through social media, email newsletters, and even niche groups interested in productivity and creativity. Creating ebooks are a great source of passive income. Once your book is live, it can generate income with minimal ongoing effort, and that is what passive income is all about. This method is excellent for creative individuals looking to earn passive income through self-publishing.
Lawyers often need feedback on cases before they go to trial. As a mock juror, you can get paid to review evidence and provide your opinions. It is not difficult to get started. First, sign up on platforms like eJury, where legal professionals look for mock juror feedback. Next, you'll review case materials and answer questionnaires designed to simulate real juror decisions. Payments can vary, but it's a unique opportunity to earn money while learning about the legal process.
This money-making process comes with other benefits. Beyond the cash, you gain insights into how legal cases are shaped and the psychology behind jury decisions. This role is ideal if you're interested in law and enjoy critical thinking. Please share this video.
The digital art world is booming, and NFTs, non-fungible tokens, have become a hot commodity. Flipping NFTs involves buying digital assets and selling them for profit. Steps to flip NFTs are: 1. Create a crypto wallet. Start with a wallet like MetaMask to handle transactions. 2. Marketplaces. Use platforms such as OpenSea or Rarible to buy and sell NFTs. 3. Research. Focus on trending collections or rare items. Follow NFT influencers on Twitter and Discord groups to stay updated on market trends. 4. Risk management. NFT markets can be volatile. Only invest what you can afford to lose and do thorough research before making a purchase.
NFT flipping is at the intersection of art, technology, and finance, a modern approach to online wealth building.
This one is a bit of a gamble, but buying unclaimed mail packages from auctions and flipping the items inside can yield unexpected profits. This is how it works: finding auctions. Look for websites that offer lost mail or unclaimed packages. While not as mainstream, keep an eye on auction sites like GovDeals or local government surplus auctions. Next, inspect them. Often, you won't know exactly what's inside until you open the package. This adds an element of surprise. Sometimes you might find items worth much more than your initial investment. After that, flipping items. Once you have the items, list them on platforms like eBay or Facebook Marketplace for resale.
But there is a caution. This method requires patience and a bit of risk tolerance. Do your research before diving in. Companies need real user feedback on their websites to ensure usability and design efficiency. Testing websites is a simple way to earn money by sharing your thoughts. How to get started. The first thing you need to do is joining testing platforms. Sign up on websites like User Testing or Try My UI. Next is the test sessions. Each test usually takes between 20 to 30 minutes and involves navigating a website while speaking your thoughts aloud. Let's talk about the earnings. You can expect to earn between $10 and $20 per test session, with some tests paying even more based on complexity. Always provide honest, clear feedback and follow the instructions closely to improve your chances of getting more tests. Tip 13. Sell customized toilet paper. This is one of the quirkiest ideas on the list, and it shows that creativity can turn almost any product into a profitable venture. How to launch your product. You need design ideas. Create unique patterns, funny quotes, or personalized prints on toilet paper. Use design software like Adobe Illustrator or Canva to craft your designs. When you are done with the designing, list your custom toilet paper on Etsy or similar niche marketplaces. To market your designs, use social media channels like Instagram and TikTok to showcase your products with humorous or viral content. Let's discuss niche appeal. Novelty items can attract collectors, gift buyers, and those looking for a fun conversation piece. This method is all about turning a mundane item into a standout product that sparks joy and profits. Tip 14. Get paid to receive texts. Yes, you can actually get paid just to receive text messages. Some companies need to test their mobile networks and messaging systems, and they'll pay for your participation. Getting started. Download apps like McMoney, which pay you to receive test SMS messages. This is how it works. Once registered, you'll receive texts and may need to reply or simply confirm receipt, helping companies improve their systems. Earnings. While the pay per text is modest, ranging from 1 to 6 cents, it can add up over time, especially if you use multiple apps simultaneously. So, consider signing up for a few similar apps to maximize your earnings without much extra effort. The use of this multi-app strategy will make a great difference in your earnings. Tip 15. Become a professional weight loser. Finally, for those who have been struggling with weight loss, there's a way to turn your journey into profit. Platforms like Healthy Wage let you bet on your weight loss goals. How to participate? Sign up and bet. On Healthy Wage, you commit to a weight loss goal and place a bet on yourself. If you hit your target, you can earn cash rewards, sometimes up to $10,000 depending on the bet and your progress. This method not only incentivizes you to lose weight but also provides a structured goal that can transform your health and finances simultaneously. It's truly about motivation and accountability. Now let me give you these tips. Combine this with a fitness app like MyFitnessPal or a wearable tracker to monitor your progress and stay motivated. 15 unconventional methods demonstrate that wealth building isn't just about traditional jobs or investments. It's about thinking outside the box and leveraging unique opportunities that many people overlook. Whether you're selling breast milk, creating ASMR videos, or flipping NFTs, each of these strategies offers a practical way to diversify your income streams and build wealth quickly, if you put in the work. Here's a quick recap of what we've covered today. Niche markets. Embrace the unexpected. From selling breast milk to customized toilet paper, sometimes the most overlooked ideas can yield surprising returns. Online platforms and apps. Whether it's only the breast, hip camp, slice the pie, or user testing, There's an online platform ready to connect your unique skills with those in need. Leverage your creativity. Use your passions, music, art, storytelling, to create content that not only entertains but also pays. Diversify your income. The more income streams you create, the more secure your financial future becomes. Remember, these ideas are not necessarily get-rich-quick schemes. They require dedication, creativity, and persistence. However, each one offers a unique pathway to supplement your income and potentially lead to significant earnings if scaled and managed well. Billionaires in the making, I hope today's guide has sparked your creativity and opened your eyes to new, unconventional ways of building wealth. I'm Martins, and here at the Billionaire Financial Lifestyle Academy, we believe that every opportunity, even the quirky and overlooked ones, can be a stepping stone to financial success. If you're inspired to try one or more of these methods, take action today. Research the platforms. Check out Only the Breast, HipCamp, Slice the Pie, and others mentioned in this video. Download the apps. Set up accounts on McMoney, user testing, and Healthy Wage. Invest in your skills. Whether it's ASMR creation or domain flipping, the right tools and education can make all the difference. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and share this video with other aspiring billionaires. Leave a comment below telling me which of these ideas you're excited to try, and any creative twists you've come up with. Thank you for spending these 15 minutes with me. I'm Martins, and I'm here to remind you that wealth can be built in the most unexpected ways. Get creative, take risks, and remember, the unconventional path might just be the fastest route to the rich life you deserve. Now go out there and make it happen. Stay innovative, stay driven, and until next time, keep exploring these unique opportunities. Your journey to wealth starts with a single creative idea. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video on the Billionaire Financial Lifestyle Academy.